call after 4 weeks. Next, item 49.
Next, two petitioners, my lord.
Yes.
The scheduled caste persons. Only because they are scheduled caste, our merit and seniority ignored, and my juniors have been given promotion. That is, Lordship, see, my lord. First, the Annexure 1, page 9. My selection, my merit list, my lord. At page 10, I placed at serial number 12 and 13. Page 10, my lord. That is merit list, my lord.
13, your lord.
Page 10, my lord. Is select list, my lord. Merit list.
Final select list.
Final select list, my lord. On merit, my position is two petitioners at serial 12 and 13.
You said page 9, na?
Page 9, the select list, my lord. At page 10.
At page 10, you appear.
Yes, my lord. Final select list. Page 10 is the final select list, my lord. Yes. Yes,
12 and 13 are your clients.
yes, my lord. And serial
Both are scheduled caste.
on merit serial number is merit position. From 14 to 21, they've been promoted, my juniors, my lord.
14 to 21 are promoted.
Yes, my lord. I've been promoted. I'm showing it, my lord. Then I will see, my lord, gradation list.
At page 22.
At page 20, it starts from page 21. My position, my lord, is at page 24. Page 24. Page 24, serial number 36 and 37. And the opposite, private opposite parties, my lord, they placed at serial number 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. Those juniors, my lord. They have been promoted.
Promoted, who are those promoted?
Promoted the opposite parties. I have made them opposite parties, my lord.
38 is not.
38, 39, 38 is opposite one 3, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44.
Respectively, they will be OP numbers.
OP numbers, my lord, given, my lord. 38 OP number 3, 39 OP number 4, 40 OP number 5, 41 OP number 6, 42 OP number 7, 43 OP number 8.
Shubhangi.
Yes, ma'am. Shubhangi. And 44, next page.
9.
50, page 9, ma'am.
What is the reason they have given?
In counter, government says, my lord, this is down to page 46, paragraph 7 of the counter affidavit.
Paragraph 7 of the counter.
Counter affidavit.
That with regard to the averment.
Yes, madam. With regard to the averments made in paragraph 6 to 11 of the writ petition, it is submitted that the promotion cannot be claimed as a matter of right. As submitted in earlier paragraphs, due to non-availability of vacancy in his respective reserve category, that is SC, the petitioner's case for promotion to the post of lecturer stage 2 was not considered. We are senior, more meritorious. Only because of our AC, we are ignored. That is the only stand by in the counter matter. Counter of the government. And the rule by that.
Rules say.
Yes, my lord. I'm saying the rule by that. Rule by that, LRC page 31 is the rule, my lord. Annex of 6.
Page 31.
Yes, my lord. This is called Odisha Civil Services Criteria for Promotion Amendment Rules 22. This amendment rule, rule 3A.
Capital.
Yes, ma'am. 3 capital A, the proviso part.
It's 30.
31. Notwithstanding anything contained in the relevant recruitment rules, where the promotion is to be considered as per the post-based reservation by UF replacement theory, the separate zone of concern shall be applicable, provided that the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates appointed on their own merit, either by that.
This rule is made pursuant to Indra Sahani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Indra Sahani. Then the government GA department clarification, my lord. The next page. Annex 7, page 32. Government, the clarification, the question, the second, next right-hand column clarification, let's turn to the bottom line, my lord. It is reiterated then. The clarification part, page 32, bottom line, my lord.
32, bottom, it is reiterated.
Yes, reiterated that
UR is
not a category.
Because of Ajay Singh case.
Yes, madam. In itself.
To all the so-called reserved categories, an SC/ST candidate can be considered under the unreserved post on. That's in the sun. It is
yes, in the same.
Here that the direction of honorable court in the case of not. From amongst the members of the reserved category. Against unreserved post on in the event of their appointment, the number cannot be added, taken into consideration. So it's the same have been clarified into P capital A. So perhaps this problem arose because they considered UR category as a separate category.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
That is the problem.
Not they agree by seniority. I am senior. I am not claiming any reservation since my senior is there. I am senior and also meritorious. In military, I am in higher position. In seniority, I am higher position.
Since you were more meritorious, you have been deprived of the benefit of reservation.
Then again, this is the clarification. This is the clarification of GA department. Then again, Annex 8 is the clarification of the SCST development department, my lord. They have sought for clarification from the law department. Page 37, Annex 8. In General Singh, they have referring General Singh case, my lord. The clarification
Page
it starts from page 37. The ACSC Development Department. And in from page 38 onwards, my lord, they sought for the clarification of law department. The law department clarification starts from page 38. And the relevant portion is at page 41. Page 41, my lord.
41.
Yes, my lord.
Note sheet.
Note sheet. In the above discussions,
we have availed reservation appointment following seniority above the list. Unreserved candidate will be promoted against unreserved vacancies.
Yes,
treating them as on
merit.
Sorry.
in government counter, my lord, in paragraph 7, only because I am SC civil caste category, I was not allowed promotion against unreserved post. That is the only stand in the counter appeal.
Wrong. What do you say?
Annexure 8 has been withdrawn, my lord.
Annexure 8.
8, my lord.
Even otherwise, that will be the position of law. Annexure 8 only reiterated what Indra Sahni said.
Yes, my lord.
In Indra Sahni, what Apex Court said was, there is a reservation. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How many, what is the 27% or so in your state? Which is that some judgment said it cannot exceed 27% or something like that. Anyway, the unreserved candidate cannot compete with reserved candidate. But reserved candidate can compete with unreserved category. Suppose if he scores more, he will be accommodated in the UR category. Okay. He was more meritorious and therefore it happened. But when you are considering for promotion, you cannot treat him
as a reserved candidate.
You have to treat him as a reserved candidate.
Yes.
Merely because he was more intelligent by accident and by his hard work, he got appointment. Being more meritorious than general category, you call it as you are, unreserved category candidates. You can't deprive him of right to promotion, which otherwise avails to the member of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. That's what Indra Sahni says. One of the sayings of Indra Sahni. Thereafter also there are judgments. Many judgments are there clarifying that. Otherwise what happens is, you will be punishing him for being more meritorious, although he is born in that scheduled caste community. Any latest judgment of the Apex Court?
This honorable court, my lord.
This court is already answered.
Let's see from paragraph 5 onwards, my lord. From paragraph 5 onwards.
It is a gross injustice to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Completely misconstruction of the law by the state government.
From paragraph 5 of the judgment, my lord. Court's reasoning and analysis.
Paragraph 5.
Yes, my lord. Page 6 of the judgment. Paragraph 5 onwards, my lord.
This is the judgment I was speaking from now.
Yes.
This similar view is already taken by the Apex Court. Sabarwal. When a percentage of reservation is fixed in respect of a particular cadre and the roster indicates the reserved point, it has to be taken that the posts shown at the reserve points are to be filled from amongst the members of reserve categories, and the candidates belonging to the general category are not entitled to be considered for the reserved posts. On the other hand, reserve category candidates can compete with non-reserved posts, and in the event of their appointment to the said post, their number cannot be added and taken into consideration for working out the percentage of reservation. Article 16(4) permits the state government to make any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens, which in the opinion of strikes. So, R.K. Sabarwal.
This matter for the opposite party, two sets of lawyers are there. I have appealed for opinion number 6, 8, and 9.
Yes.
And they have filed counter.
Yes.
So today, I am handicapped.
No person of
handicapped in this
that
sense.
you should say when opens. Otherwise, I will be wasting public time.
Yeah.
I will be very happy to sit, talk, and go. But I will not. I cannot do it as a judge.
But I beg to submit.
Yes.
I have not got instruction. I have got instruction, technical reason, because ladies, they are serving kandamal.
We do not know all that. You can serve
No. What I beg to submit. Today I am handicapped in this sense. I don't
No, that
Only
you should have
instruction.
said before he opened his mouth.
No, but I
Having allowed him
No,
to
but I beg to
Last 3 days, my lord.
I had taken time. I felt myself guilty to pray for time. That is the only thing. That's why I said this is the position. Still then, on the basis of one counter from the state side, one counter from the other set of lawyers. But on the basis of their I will just submit. Then thereafter, if your lordship feels that 1-2 weeks time is necessary.
No time will be granted. No time will be granted.
Yes. Then your lordship may kindly see
Yes.
the paragraph 6.
Now we are asking you whether other vacancies are available now, so that without disturbing them, if at all, if you are agreeable, so that already they are holding posts for these years now. Instead of my passing an order, again that order being put into appeal, this is risky.
Yes,
I am not
I agree to it, my lord.
Therefore, the best way is to accommodate them in the vacancies available.
I will take
You
it.
have punished them for being more meritorious. That you cannot do. The object of reservation is to benefit them. On the other hand, you have not only not benefited them, you have deprived them of whatever was legally entitled to, because they are more meritorious. That's not the object. This is what R.K. Sabharwal says. You are 2.
2, my lord.
But why you want to displace 9%?
Well, all are juniors, my lord.
That's all right. All right.
No, not right, I don't want to displace them, my lord. I am showing my seniority. Even apart from merit, we are also senior to those persons, my lord. In gradation list, we placed above them.
Your grievance is as to non-granting of promotion or non-granting of gradation in the list?
No, my grievance is not getting a promotion, my lord.
Promotion.
Promotion. And prayer is to give me promotion from the date my juniors are promoted.
If that is done, you will be happy.
Yes, my lord.
Then why you want to argue?
I said I am handicapped, that's all.
But where have you stated? What's your prayer?
Page 7, my lord. Page 7 of the petition. First prayer to quash the promotion order given to the junior.
Quash.
The second prayer, my lord.
But treatment will on consequent service of monetary benefits. So you have not challenged their promotion.
Yes, I am challenging it.
Where have you challenged?
My lord,
Impugned order.
impugned order, my annexure 5. That their promotion order, my
But
lord.
you want to give up number 1 and adhere to number 2.
Naturally, my lord.
So that once for all some
Yes.
resolution of the dispute
Yes,
happens. You would just file a memo saying that my clients will be happy if they are given promotion from the date the juniors are given.
Yes.
Prayer number 2.
That is prayer number 2.
That's one.
That
That's
is
what
prayer
you have
number
to file a memo saying that you are giving up the first prayer.
Yes. And also my in promotional post, my seniority will be above them.
That would create.
No, that is because in the lower post, I am senior.
If they are concerned with the same date, all the consequences would follow. That, if they are
No, just think. Don't do it because I am suggesting. Think now. If you say that you should be appointed with effect from the date the juniors have been appointed,
Yes.
no, then he will be senior.
Yes.
At the most, you can retain the post. But so far as seniority is concerned, you can. Otherwise, he will not have any justice at all at the hands of this court. Even seniority has to be given to them. Yes. Otherwise, you will lose the post only. Instead of that, what we are saying is, you will retain your post, but the seniority will be given to them.
above us.
Yes. That will affect your clients.
that
But the only thing is your clients may retain the post because of the concession he is showing now. But you will be pushed down.
with that 2-3 days time.
No, I will not. Never, I will never do that. But at the earliest point of time, if you ask, I have given time, even when 2015 matter,
Lordship may kindly
after having heard you, you cannot do that.
right.
But that concession,
That
you can, so that you can retain your
My lord,
post.
if-
Otherwise, post only will go.
Your Lordship may kindly see. Posts are there. If their prayer number 2 is considered, and if they are given my lord promotion from the date juniors, in fact, my clients have got, my lord, the problem would be solved. If now my lord would say that seniority, that would give an overlapping effect.
That is my right.
What lies is that? You have appointed me as a judge because I will decide things according to
Only one thing, apart from other thing, your Lordship has said the position of law, only their statement, everything made has not been given a go by. My lord, in all annexures 6 and 3 annexures, it is referred, selected on merit, but in the related to initial recruitment, their initial recruitment is on the basis of reservation. Only that is the distinctive feature. 3 annexures they have relied. If they are on merit means not on merit. My learned friend has referred to one annexure. Against that serial number, the endorsement is missing. Endorsement is category. Category is prepared. Reservation is claimed on the post-based vacancy. Scheduled caste, what is the vacancy? Scheduled tribe, what is the vacancy? Unreserved, though they are not category, what is the vacancy, number of vacancy? It is being notified, and gradation list, they might not have a challenge. In gradation list, placements are there. Against the serial number, category is there. If initial recruitment is not on the basis of merit, all the 3 annexures they are relying, if they are selected on merit, your Lordship, then thereafter I am leaving totally to my Lord. So seniority, it would have an overlapping effect. Now, my Lord,
But,
if from the date, usually it is prayer.
In other words, I'll tell you, if they are more meritorious in the open competition,
Yes.
they get the seats in the unreserved category.
My Lord, everything I will bow down. If your Lordship kindly just grant me 1 or 2 days time,
No,
I may be misunderstood. Yes,
I will agree with you if you do not put forth that prayer.
This is that.
No question of
No question.
Because
Your Lordship's expression, I am just placing. It is ultimately my Lord's sort. Your Lordship may see. My Lord, the ladies candidates remain for technically they are not. I want to just get telephone from them. Just Monday, if it is kept or
No,
Tuesday.
it's not
Your Lordship may kindly see. If this prayer is allowed, that I may be misunderstood. I don't know what is the far-reaching consequence. I have to take instruction on that. But usually in promotion matter, your Lordship knows prayer is made. I may get promotion from the date by juniors. That part is granted. Nothing to say.
Last 3 dates.
Upon the, it would refer to the one date. One date I have got, you would be retrospectively getting that year with all benefits.
No, on the same date, he is to be granted.
Yes, vacancy is there, it can build up.
No, not only that. The question is, on the same date it has to be granted, then he will be seniority because his seniority is approved.
Not seniority with all respect, I would say. So if your Lordship just grant this pair, and
We see that.
if
When we
that
when we come to the merit, the final selection, he is above you.
Yes.
kindly see,
Pushed up.
13.
Well, 10.
Eh?
12 and 13.
13.
At base 10.
Again, 13, it is vacancy in SC category.
Yeah.
That is the select list recommended by the commission.
Correct.
Appointment on that basis. Appointment because of the fact that he belongs to the reserve category.
Correct.
Having got benefit in the course of initial recruitment, then him subsequently in promotion, everywhere the rule says on which the reliance is being. The rules consistently says that if they are selected on merit, if against scheduled caste candidate they have been selected, if my lord should say that they are on merit, they are not on merit. Cannot be given a go by, but replacement theory is there. 2 can just come below replacing the bottom 2. That your lordship knows, bottom two. So that gradation list, bottom two, if you reflect, I have nothing to say, but it may lead to further legal complications. So if law is kindly consider to grant prayer number 2, that is usually made. But to the future consequence, my learned friend is making a prayer, but I would say that I would not be misunderstood. I would just ask them. The Honorable Court, in fact, has expressed the view what you have got to say. But if court's dictum, my lord, body. I would have asked.
Court's duty is to determine.
Yes, my lord, much over. My lord, I would ask them, my lord. Ladies, my lord, they would misunderstood me.
No, let them misunderstand. Otherwise, I will be misunderstood.
So, paragraph.
If a lawyer is misunderstood, nothing will happen.
So,
if
prayer
is misunderstood.
Prayer number 2, your lordship may on their.
What do you say?
Yeah, number 2 also I have prayed with all consequence also.
You have made prayer is all right, but he is saying that you are selected under the scheduled caste category benefit only.
That is my merit position. Even Silkas, my lord, on merit I am above him.
No, merit is
On merit. Merit.
category. That is against serial number 13. Yes, see. Second column. That will defend in the submitting.
Only because I wasted
Number 13 against SC. Then you let our stats on the 2 persons against SC. Having taken benefit above all, though they were below in the initial merit list when the initial recruitment was made.
Where is that?
In that appointment order and incentive they have not filed.
No, if you are taking up that.
That on the basis of instruction, that is I could not have that. That is on the basis of instruction.
No, otherwise also it makes no.
Your lordship, this is the recommendation list.
Sir, what do you want to suggest? But if I decide that,
Yes, madam.
I will decide according to law is another thing. But that will only lead to another battle.
Yes, let them. I don't want to just trouble them, my lord. Yes. No, you know, how can I be? I can't.
Then further cause of action will be.
Must be from the date of the, and my senate must be right. Once I got promotion, that is my prayer number 2, my lord.
He is not having any seniority. He is not having any seniority.
First, I consider, my lord, without passing the promotion order, my lord, I may be given payment prayer number 2, my
From the date.
You write that in your memo.
Well, when this selection list was forwarded to the government on the very basis.
The government does very wrong things. I have seen. Government does, but this is the law is decided in.
Yes,
in
it is the appointment order would indicate on that basis the recommendation that you are appointed because you belong to scheduled caste. You are appointed because you belong to scheduled tribe. So how do you take it? That is consistently the judgment also. This court judgment, my lord, when my London friend had submitted to your lordship, kindly see, it is also said.
Heard result. Tomorrow.
I'm just giving you my moment. Yes.
My lord, another aspect, my lord, in the impugned order, my lord, in page 29, my lord, promotion to the post of lecturer stage 2, they are allowed to continue in the present place of posting until further orders. And further, my lord, the promotion is subject to concurrence of UPSC and final outcome of WPC, number such and such.
So that is made subject to list pendants only.
Well, then other petitions.
Other petitions are there. What happened to those petitions?
So that is only I have brought my lord's notice.
Whatever is there.
My only submission is that my London friend is there.
You should make prayer to him.
We will talk to each other. We will talk to each other. We want a compromise also. The seniority would be an overlapping and far-reaching consequence.
What he says is, let you be promoted, no issue. But seniority you will not get. This is contention.
That is my right, my lord. Since I am senior in the lower post, in the promotion post I am senior.
Not a lower court. That is in your vacancy. In your vacancy. He has not raised that when getting the first appointment.
Gradation I will you.
Well, they are below me and getting appointment and it is
Where below? They are above you in the gradation list.
Gradation list
they are saying should be above.
Gradation list is also the vacancy. Gradation list is also concerning vacancy.
I agree.
It is but my lord, prayer number 2, my lord.
Let us.